wife's Peloton is making this noise. Sounds like it's coming from kind of the front and the back. All right, pedaling backwards, you don't really hear it much. Pedaling forwards, it's really loud. It sounds like this bearing is going bad. All right, now that we pulled this front cover off, it's coming from this bearing up here. So it's either the belt squeaking up against the edge of it, maybe, or the bearing going bad. To remove this front panel, there's just one Phillips on the top, and then on the bottom is just a little plastic rivet. You just poke the middle of it and it will disengage this, and then you just pull it straight down. All right, I sprayed a little silicone lubricant on that bearing, even though I don't think it was doing anything, and then I sprayed it on each side of the belt over here, and it seems to be sounding much better. So I also loosened this and tightened it and did both, and before I sprayed, loosening it made it really bad, and then tightening it, I could never get it back to quite as good as it was before. So the silicone lubricant here seemed to do the trick. All back to normal.